Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us live here on India Today's special broadcast, where we get you all the latest updates from the poll-bound states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, as well as the Union Territory of Puducherry. Before I get you the updates on the seat-sharing pact between DMK and Congress, these pictures on your screens is something we've all seen after it went absolutely viral. Well, this campaign by Rahul Gandhi in a college in Kanyakumari has triggered a big political fight as the BJP has now approached the Election Commission. Rahul had campaigned in Kanyakumari in a college, had grabbed eyeballs for his push-up challenge, which you see on your screens. He performed Aikido, danced with students. The BJP has now written to the EC seeking action against Rahul. Why? Well, the state chief in the state for the BJP, L. Murugan, has claimed that Rahul Gandhi violated the Model Code of Conduct and hence there needs to be action against him. The BJP's contention is that he used the premises of an educational institution for political campaigning, referring to the St. Joseph School in Kanyakumari, where Rahul Gandhi campaigned on March 1st. The BJP has demanded that Rahul be prohibited from campaigning in the state by the Election Commission. They've also said that an FIR must be registered against him. You've also got the BJP criticizing Rahul Gandhi for comparing the Modi government with British Raj. And L. Murugan has demanded that the Election Commission register an FIR against Rahul Gandhi. Let's take this across now to Akshay Nath, joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshay, we saw how Rahul Gandhi's campaign in Kanyakumari went viral. The BJP seems to be contending that this is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Why are they saying so?
Well, Akshita, during the 3-day visit that Rahul Gandhi had in Tamil Nadu, it was seen that he was interacting in very close terms with students, with fishermen community and members of different age groups. And he had connected really well with many of them. In fact, we had seen many videos that were becoming viral as well, showing how Rahul Gandhi's entire persona had changed as a Neta. And what we're seeing here is the BJP has now come up with an allegation that statements which were made by Rahul Gandhi during these rallies was against the interest of the Model Code of Conduct. In fact, it is stated that in the last week of February, the dates for elections were announced, and after that, Rahul Gandhi had made statements criticizing the central government, even called him the British Raj. And in fact, L. Murugan in his complaint letter has quoted 2 or 3 lines and has said that these lines are bad and not supposed to be allowed during an election campaign, especially when the Model Code of Conduct is in place. And he's even demanded the Election Commission that Rahul Gandhi be prohibited from the state of Tamil Nadu to do any more election campaigns. Further, he's also gone on to say that the Election Commission should file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi, and in those regards that he has been saying derogatory remarks against the Indian government.
Okay, so we'll see how this plays out, but the BJP is saying that Rahul Gandhi should not be allowed to campaign in the state of Tamil Nadu anymore. They've also said that an FIR should be registered against him for the campaign that he had on March 1st in Kanyakumari. And let's get you some of those highlights, because Rahul Gandhi's campaign has been spoken about so much. The photo ops that he was involved in, particularly in that campaign in Kanyakumari, which the BJP is now questioning. He took part in a push-up challenge, he performed Aikido, he also danced with students. Here's recapping that campaign.
Me take push-up.
Can you take?
You're trying to embarrass me.
Can you take push-ups?
I can take push-up.
Let's try 15.
Okay. Ready? Okay.
First, the normal push-ups.
Oh my God! Oh wow! Great! ஒரு கை வச்சு நீ எடுக்க முடியுமா? அவருக்கு இப்ப சவால் விடுறாரு.
Then a much more challenging single arm push-up.
In Bruce Lee. Oh! Wonderful!
And even some Aikido with a student in Tamil Nadu. Rahul Gandhi is stacking up the Kodak moments on his high-profile campaign in South India. The push-ups and martial arts coming just days after the 50-year-old Congress MP's abs went bouncing around the internet. This was preceded by Rahul's viral leap into the sea of Kerala, swimming in the tide as the cameras lapped up the campaign moment. His supporters using the moment to remind the world that Rahul is also an expert scuba diver. Whatever you think of Rahul's political muscle, projecting himself as a fitness fanatic has been a campaign staple. In fact, the Aikido he demonstrated today is a hark back to his full-fledged demonstration of the martial arts style back in 2017 in the run-up to the 2019 campaign. Later in that campaign, while shoring up his Shiv Bhakti, he added some outdoorsy feels during a trek up to the Kailash Mansarovar. In the 2009 election year too, the cameras rolled as Rahul cycled. From cycling to push-ups, to boxer abs, to martial arts, to scuba diving. These images aren't just for an election, but also for the Congress's president-in-waiting, making the results of the elections in Tamil Nadu and Kerala a virtual referendum on his political muscle. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.